dealing with a type A personality that has everything drawn out.
Stop! Stop drawing on that!
So you're kind of sad?
I am. I started tearing up. Because it's like the end. But it's not the end.
Listen, ladies, he's not just a pretty face. He's single. So the old saying is, you can't push shit uphill. You can. That's the story we keep telling ourselves.
I am not some people. This is my own RV. I'm thinking I'm just going to put maybe I just need to put a mirror here, and then there's going to be a cabinet maybe here, because I don't think you can have a medicine cabinet. I don't know. Like, I need to rethink that.
I'm happy and I'm sad all at the same time. And it's always the unknown. Like, you don't know what's going to happen next. Talking about short time frames. We're running out of time.
And that brings me to the very big thought of, are we even going to make it to the Tampa show with it?